In this tutorial, we'll learn how to search for regulatory information using govinfo.gov. If you know the title of the publication you want to search, you can use the advanced search and select the publication you want from the drop-down menu. I'm going to conduct a basic search for green sea turtles in Hawaii. Use the facets on the left to limit your search results to the Federal Register. Notice that the facets change when you select a specific title. Select Proposed Rules to view all of the proposed regulations related to green sea turtles in Hawaii. I'm going to select 77 FR 34334. I can view the document by clicking on PDF. The proposed rule states how to submit comments on the rule. At the end of the notice, the text is printed as it will appear when integrated into the Code of Federal Regulations. Use the Rule Identification Number, or RIN, to search for the final rule. The final rule lists the sections of the Code of Federal Regulations that are being amended by the rule. In this case, Title 50, Sections 665.802 and 665.813 are being amended. The final rule gives a contact person for questions about the rule. It also contains a discussion of the comments received and the agency's responses to those comments. This is an important source of information about the agency's thinking in drafting the final rule. The Federal Register citation is 77 FR 60637. You can also browse the Federal Register. Click the Browse button and choose A to Z, then scroll down to Federal Register, 1990 to present. We know that the final rule that we viewed earlier was published on October 4th, 2012. Select the year, 2012. Select the month, October. Select the date, October 4th. We can either download the entire issue, or we can scroll down to the agency that we want. The National Marine Fisheries Service, which regulates longline fishing, is part of the Department of Commerce. So I can open up the Department of Commerce, and here is the regulation that we looked at earlier. You can also retrieve the Federal Register by citation if you have a citation. Click on the Citation tab and use the drop-down to select Federal Register. Then select the year, which is 2012, and the page number, which is 60637. The pages containing the Federal Register notice will be automatically downloaded when you click Search. Since we know the CFR citation from reading the Federal Register, we can retrieve the section of the Code of Federal Regulations that is being amended by the rule that we just looked at. Click on Citation and choose Code of Federal Regulations. I'm going to choose 2012 and Title 50, Part 665, Section 802. The page is automatically retrieved when I click Search. Here we can look at the final rule as it is incorporated into the Code of Federal Regulations. You can also browse the Code of Federal Regulations . Or you can do an advanced search to conduct a full text search in the Code of Federal Regulations. Thank you for watching.